So we're here this morning, we're in Blaenau and we're really excited to be trying out the new Traws Cymru T22 service. The T22 will run from Blaenau all the way through to Carnarvon, passing through Porthmadog as well. So really lovely locations along this route through Eryri National Park. It's an all-electric fleet as well, the second all-electric fleet on our Traws Cymru network. So these electric Traws Cymru buses really are state-of-the-art. They've got some incredible features on them, including USB charging and wireless charging too. The electric buses mean that it's a really smooth ride, really quiet ride, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the incredible scenery around you. So one of the other great things about travelling on the new T22 route is that you can hop off and you can connect to either our rail services or some of our other Traws Cymru services too. So you can find out more about the Traws Cymru service on our website or by using our Traws Cymru app, and you can get planning your next adventure.